Can you try to assemble it?
Yeah, let's try. Okay, we got this two.
Hexagon, Reg.
Here.
Hexagon. Where's the hex?
Here.
Where? Ah, this one. Okay. Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Okay.
I think you can assemble it.
Oh, huh?
Now?
Try. You try
Yeah.
to assemble it. Go.
Where's the...
So today, what are you going to do?
we're going to open this particular James present. There's 3 inside, so I'm going to do the small one and the small. So this is like a camera.
Show it to
It's
them.
a light.
So,
It's a light. But
okay.
it's so shiny.
So it's light. It's so big.
Ow! Maybe it's a cat fur. And this is the
Can you
mic.
try to assemble it?
Yeah, let's try. Okay, we got these tools over here.
Hexagon, Reg.
Here.
Hexagon. Where's the hexagon,
Can you
Reg?
wrench?
Here.
Where? Ah, this one. Okay. Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Okay.
I think you can assemble it.
Oh, huh?
Now?
Try. You try
Yeah.
to assemble it.
Yeah.
Go.
Where's the... I need this.
This one you need first. This one. You follow the instructions. A1.
A1.
Is that?
You know this.
Here, another screw.
This is the screw.
Connect
No,
the
this.
bottom.
Oh, this one.
Number 2.
Huh?
This one. Okay.
Number 2.
A1.
Board and 4.
What is this?
The
What is
clamp.
this? What is this?
This one.
So what do we have to do?
It says.
Like this? This?
Connect the
Oh, like this. Or like this. Like this?
this one.
How? Daddy, let's assemble it. Let's
Go.
assemble it. So how do you do it?
So connect
This
the.
is the screw, right?
Okay.
So I know.
Okay.
This flower is beautiful.
You're shooting that one. You're shooting it.
This one.
Yes.
Is it in that one?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
2, diba?
Oh.
This one.
This one, kasi.
And then get the. Ito. 2,
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
And then get the 4. What's that 4? This
First,
one.
Let's
This one.
show it later na lang when it's done.
No, I don't want.
Go. And then with 5. What is 5?
5 is like
Countersunk.
this one. We got it already. I got it already.
Okay.
We need the the hexagon thing. Don't we? Hexagon. Got it. Ooh, like that. So can I screw that? How do you do? Can I try? Don't do it so tight or just tight.
Tight. But not really tight.
Okay, just tight.
We'll finalize it later. Okay.
Okay. Next, this one, and then the hole.
2.
Wait.
This one.
Okay.
And then here.
Like this. What do you need? 1, 3. 1, this one, and
3.
3 is this one.
Okay.
So we don't need to do Or do we have
Where
to?
is the... this one. Michael, on the other side.
Hantay. What do we have to do? We stand it?
Yeah, stand. And then...
What's
you
next?
see
What's
the
next?
red, the blue one?
Oh. Where's the
No, hantay,
hexagon?
hantay, that one. Hantay, this one. Okay.
Where's the hexagon one? What do you have to do? Ah.
Okay.
How do you do it, Daddy?
This one, no? Wait lang. Ayan, no? This one is for this hole. And then, rotate the blue one.
Is it easy to assemble?
Very.
Hantay. Ayan.
Huh? What's that?
Finish.
Done. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's just. Good. Now it's a real game controller.
Hantay.
Wait. Then we need 6, 7. 6, 7. 6 and 7. It's a new long screw.
And this one.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay. Can you get it? Shoot na?
Huh?
You shoot na?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Wait. Okay, this
Okay.
is good.
Okay, next.
I'm a good builder now.
Yeah, you fix it.
Huh?
Fixes.
Fixing it. I can tie a knot.
And go.
Whoopee.
Okay,
Wait.
it's okay.
Good job.
Good job.
What do this really look like?
Okay, next.
Now, where are we now? Here? Now in the
Go.
flip it up. Then next, open the phone. How do we put it? Can you adjust?
I think you have to remove the cover.
Remove the cover. Oh, this is what it looks like. How do you put it? How do you put it?
This one? Mali. Hantay din.
Huh?
Hantay.
How do we put it?
This one. Okay,
New phone.
good.
Can it step? I don't. Maybe I have to do it a little tight.
Yeah, this one.
Can it fall?
And then,
And then, what do I have to do in here?
You put the light.
Light and water microphone.
Put the light.
oh, light. Oh,
Okay.
so it's a set.
Yeah, set yan.
Here at the center.
Wait. I don't know.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Next, we're going to put the light. Next, the light, we're going to put it over here. What do we have to do? Hantay daddy. Huh?
It's okay. Whichever.
I think either it's
Yes, okay. Both is okay.
Oh, like that.
oh,
Ooh, how about here?
and then this one in the phone.
Yeah. Okay.
So it should be in the other
the
side.
other side.
See, I told you.
Go. First side. Wait lang.
I want to put it.
You slide this
Yeah.
and then
Put it in there.
here.
Spin it.
Okay.
I spin this one. Ooh,
Okay.
it's spin.
Okay. Next.
Then you have to put that one. Connect. Connector.
Connect.
This one. Let's adjust. Okay.
Like the fur.
No, that's your wig.
Put it one in your head.
Maybe my thumb. Maybe my tongue. Can you see?
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
What's next? We got to result? No.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, you can do now. You can do now your.
Okay, face it.
Turn it on.
Let's turn it on.
Oh, that's really cool.
I see. Oh, let's try. So let's turn something on.
It's okay, babe.
Okay.
Let's say
Okay.
goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Thanks for
Can I
watching.
see? Can I see?
Watching.
This is a very cool one, right? Very.
Yeah, now we can use it for my YouTube channel. Why is there still more screws?
It's okay.
I think that's a reserve.
Moukey RJ.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, RJ. Hope
Bye.
you like. Thank you for the present.